Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner 2008 to 2012. We're doing the left rear, the driver's rear door. So you've got a small plate there with a screw behind it, and then that comes off, that little cover. And you'll find, I believe, a 30 Torx bolt behind the chrome pull handle, and in there was just Phillips, just Phillips screws, and on the side of the door. Panel comes off pretty easy. The handle comes off of the cable pretty easy. By the way, this video is at double speed, so you can watch it quicker. And take off the 30 Torx bolt on the inside there. Let's remove the plastic. Put the window up a little bit, suction cup. Take off the two 10mm bolts that hold the bracket on the regulator to the glass. Put the glass up the rest of the way. By the way, a little WD-40 and the two channels on the sides, lightly, every 2 or 3 months for all your cars, all your windows. Definitely a help. Makes it go up and down a lot easier. So now you just got some 10mm bolts to remove. Not a big deal. Nuts and bolts. If this is helpful for you, please like the video. That helps me a lot with YouTube, and it also helps other people find this particular video. So thank you. And if you need these, I believe I have them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. This is really among the easier jobs you can possibly do. There's really no adjustments to it. It just goes in one way. It's a piece of cake. Bosch, B-O-S-C-H, Bosch tools, by far the best. I've had really good luck with them over the years. And that's it, my friends. So you can watch the next minute of this on your own, but I can't imagine you having any problems with this. If you do have any questions, just ask them on the YouTube page. That'll be the easiest way to get in touch with me. And thank you again for watching. Have a good week.